Let's talk about precision. It's a concept that might seem simple on the surface, but it's absolutely crucial in the world of making and building. Think about the difference between a wobbly table and a sturdy one. What separates them? It all comes down to precision in the measurements and the cuts. Consider a part that fits perfectly and one that doesn't. The frustration of forcing something that's just a hair off versus the satisfaction of components meshing seamlessly. When you build anything, from a birdhouse to a bookshelf, getting it right matters. The accuracy of your measurements directly impacts the quality and longevity of your creation. That perfect fit, that satisfying click, is what makers live for. It's the reward for careful planning and meticulous execution. It's the feeling of accomplishment that fuels our passion. Rulers are fine for rough estimates, but they simply don't cut it for tiny details. When you're working with small components or intricate designs, you need something more accurate. Dial calipers are a step up, and they're great in many situations, but they can be hard to read, especially after a long day staring at numbers. The small increments and the parallax error can strain your eyes and lead to mistakes. Then came the digital caliper, a true revolution in measurement technology. It was a game changer for everyone, from seasoned machinists who demand the highest precision to hobbyists just starting out and eager to bring their visions to life. It's like a superpower, giving you the ability to measure with incredible accuracy and ease. Just slide the jaws and the answer appears instantly on a clear, easy-to-read screen. No squinting, no guesswork, just instant, reliable measurements. Suddenly anyone can measure down to 1/1000th of an inch, unlocking a whole new level of detail in their projects. It's not just a tool, it's a confidence booster, empowering you to tackle projects you might have previously thought were beyond your capabilities. It tells you, yes, you can make this fit perfectly, giving you the assurance to proceed with confidence. Today, we'll dive into how this incredible device works its magic, exploring the technology that makes it so accurate and reliable. We'll explore its features, from the different measurement modes to the zeroing function, what's inside, taking a peek at the internal components that make it tick, and how to use it effectively to unlock new levels of precision in all your projects. Think of this as your comprehensive guide, your key to unlocking the full potential of this amazing tool. We'll show you how to make the digital caliper an extension of your creativity, allowing you to bring even the most ambitious ideas to life. Once you truly understand it, it's not just a tool sitting in your toolbox, it's an intuitive extension of your hands, a natural part of your creative process. Ready to see just how far your projects can go with the power of precise measurement? Let's get started and embark on this journey of precision and discovery. The digital caliper is an incredibly versatile tool, a staple in any workshop or maker space. One of its key features is having two sets of jaws, each designed for a specific type of measurement. The larger jaws are primarily used for taking external measurements. These are perfect for determining the outside diameter of objects like bolts, pipes, or any other cylindrical shape. They provide a stable and accurate way to gauge the overall width of an object. Conversely, the smaller jaws are designed for internal measurements. These are ideal for measuring the inside diameter of holes, tubes, or any recessed space. Their precision allows you to accurately determine the dimensions of internal cavities. Ever found yourself needing to know the exact diameter of a bolt? It's a breeze with the digital caliper. Simply use the larger jaws, open them to accommodate the bolt, gently close them until they make contact, and then read the precise measurement displayed on the screen. No guesswork involved. What about checking the precise size of a drilled hole? That's where the small jaws at the top come in handy. Carefully insert them into the hole, gently open them until they touch the inner walls. And just like that, the digital display shows you the exact diameter of the hole. But the versatility doesn't stop there. There's even more to discover. Located at the end of the caliper is a depth rod that smoothly slides out, providing a convenient and accurate way for measuring exactly how deep a hole goes. To use it, simply rest the flat base of the caliper securely on the surface, ensuring it's stable, then gently extend the depth rod until it reaches the bottom of the hole, and the digital display will instantly provide you with the precise depth measurement. With just one tool, you have the capability to measure the outside dimensions of objects, accurately gauge inside diameters, and determine precise depths, eliminating the need for a collection of 3 separate, specialized gadgets. That's precisely why digital calipers have become an indispensable tool in workshops and beyond. It serves as a ruler, an inside gauge for those tricky internal dimensions, and a reliable depth gauge, all conveniently combined into one compact instrument. It's a testament to elegant engineering, a marvel of design and functionality, efficiently solving a multitude of measurement challenges with its single ingenious design. Whether you're meticulously fitting parts together, ensuring a perfect match, carefully checking tolerances to meet precise specifications, or simply satisfying your curiosity by measuring everyday objects, this versatile tool is up to the task. It's an absolute must-have addition to any serious maker's toolkit, a reliable companion for countless projects. Simple to use, incredibly versatile in its applications, and just plain cool to operate. So, how does a digital caliper work? It's clever science, not magic. Inside the beam is a grid of tiny copper plates, a hidden ruler of sorts. The sliding jaw has its own plates. As you move it, the overlap changes the electrical capacitance. A chip reads these changes, translating them into precise measurements. It's so sensitive it detects the tiniest movement, hundreds of times per second. Some calipers use magnetic fields, but the principle is the same. A sensor reads a fixed pattern to know exactly where it is. No physical wear, just smooth, accurate readings for years. That's why digital calipers are so reliable. On your caliper, the 0 button is your secret weapon. Press it with the jaws closed to calibrate. This is your starting point. But you can also zero at any position, letting you compare two objects directly. Measure the first item, press 0, then measure the second. The display shows the difference. Positive means bigger, negative means smaller. No mental math, no mistakes. This is perfect for quality control, matching parts, or checking tolerances. You can also use it for step measurements. 0 on one surface, measure to another, and get the exact height difference. Mastering the 0 button turns your caliper into a powerful comparison tool. It's a simple feature with big impact. Where do digital calipers shine? Everywhere precision matters. In machine shops, machinists use them constantly to check diameters and make fine adjustments. In 3D printing, calipers help you measure parts before and after printing, ensuring accuracy and perfect fits. Woodworkers use them for fine joinery, measuring chisels, setting saws, and checking stock thickness for flawless joints. In automotive work, they measure brake rotors. In jewelry, they check wire gauges. Calipers bridge the gap between digital design and physical making. Anytime you need a real, accurate number, this is the tool you reach for. It's the universal partner for makers, builders, and fixers. Using a digital caliper is quite straightforward, but a few key tips can significantly improve your accuracy and the lifespan of your instrument. Let's go over some best practices to ensure you're getting the most out of your digital caliper. For the most precise measurements, use the thumb roller for fine adjustments. This allows you to move the jaws incrementally, achieving the perfect contact without over-tightening. When making larger adjustments, don't force the slider. A smooth, gentle motion is key to preventing wear and tear on the mechanism. Apply gentle pressure when taking a measurement. You want contact, not a clamp. Excessive force can distort the reading and even damage the caliper or the object you're measuring. Digital calipers offer the convenience to switch between inches and millimeters as needed, providing versatility for various projects. Always double-check your mode before measuring. Ensure you're in the correct unit to avoid costly errors. Read the display carefully. Those extra decimal places mean serious precision, so pay close attention to each digit for accurate results. Keep your caliper clean. Dust or oil on the jaws can throw off your reading, leading to inaccuracies in your measurements. Wipe it with a soft cloth before and after each use to maintain its accuracy and prevent buildup. Don't drop it or toss it in with heavy tools. Protect the electronics and alignment, as these are crucial for reliable measurements. Store it in its case when not in use to shield it from dust, impacts, and other potential damage. Watch the battery. If the display dims or flashes, replace it promptly to ensure consistent performance. A fresh battery means reliable readings, giving you confidence in your measurements. Care for your caliper and it'll serve you accurately and reliably for years to come, becoming an indispensable tool in your work. We've seen how digital calipers measure outside, inside, and depth with precision. The secret is in the sensor. Tiny movements become hard numbers. The 0 button unlocks powerful comparisons. This tool bridges the digital and physical worlds, making design and building seamless. It removes guesswork and replaces it with certainty. For beginners and pros alike, a digital caliper is a smart investment. It's welcoming, with big clear numbers that invite curiosity. It encourages precision and inquiry, the foundation of great making. More than a measuring tool, it's a tool for understanding and craftsmanship. In a world of good enough, The caliper stands for getting it right. That's what being a maker is all about.